Whether you're replacing all of your siding or just getting a small area patched up, the installation is key to ensuring it will last. Even with the highest quality products, a faulty installation will cause your siding to fail within months. So today we're going to talk about what a high quality siding installation should look like. Hey, I'm Steve McNary, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. When looking to invest a high dollar amount into any project or product, you want to know that you will get your money's worth. So today we're going to break down what makes a high quality siding installation. From before installation to after, we want to make sure you know what to expect. So let's jump right into what you should expect before your siding installation. A quality contractor will schedule a consultation with you before the installation day to go over details like where the dumpster will be placed, where equipment will be set up, where cables will be stored, and how debris will be cleaned up. Scheduling a pre-installation meeting allows you to get all the details that you may not have thought of before. This also gives you time to ask any additional questions about the installation itself. There are many aspects to your siding installation that must be done correctly and in the correct order to ensure that the siding will last. There are 5 steps that should be done to ensure a high quality installation. 1. Remove the old siding. When removing the existing siding, there's going to be a lot of debris that can fall during the process. The crew should place a tarp or protective covering down along the siding to catch all debris for a thorough cleanup. Number 2. Placing the substrate. For a siding replacement, the substrate is a thinner layer of siding that goes down underneath the actual siding. This adds a layer of protection for your home and provides more stability for the actual siding. A popular material for the substrate is oriented strand boarding, or OSB. It's made of wood chips patterned diagonally and connected by an adhesive, and it's similar to plywood. After the substrate is installed, a weather barrier should be stapled on top of it. This is another layer of protection specifically made to protect the interior of your home from moisture. Number 3, installing the trim and flashing. The trim is placed around windows, doors, and the edges of the siding to give it a finished look. The flashing is placed on the roofing edges and works to direct water away from the roofing. The trim and flashing are caulked and sealed to lock in the joint tape and provide another type of weather barrier around open seams. They should both be installed before the actual siding. 4th, installing the siding itself. Now that the substrate and trims have been installed, it's time to put down the siding. When installing siding panels, the best practice is to start from the bottom up with horizontal siding. The panel is nailed at the top with coil nails, and the panel above will hang slightly over to cover the nails below. This not only creates a tighter seal, but gives it a cleaner look. 5thly, caulk and paint. After the siding is installed, the final step is to caulk around the edges and paint. When it comes to caulking, the product and application are key to the quality of the installation. If a caulk with a lifespan of fewer than 50 years is used, it's not a good caulk. The purpose of the caulk is to seal the edges and joints so water and insects cannot make their way into the home. If the caulk is not applied properly, it will not do its job in sealing the siding. Once the project is finished, the cleanup and detailing begin. A quality contractor will reinstall the outlet covers, light fixtures, and any outdoor fixtures that had to be removed for the project. A thorough inspection of the area should be performed to ensure no debris is left behind. Some contractors use a large magnet like a metal detector to go over the area and pick up any nails or pieces that may have fallen during construction. Researching, asking questions, and knowing what all goes into a quality siding replacement are going to help you in choosing the right contractor and getting a high quality siding replacement project done on your home. In the home remodeling industry, what you get is what you pay for. You cannot get the highest quality installation for the lowest price. Knowing what you want out of your project and what you are going to get is necessary to help you make the right decisions along the way. If you want more information on the siding process, follow the link down below in the description to an article that dives even deeper into what you want for your siding installation. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.